and welcome to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Today we are going to be getting into this wig, okay? And I know y'all like, is this another real hair wig, Lex? Like, we told you we want to see some synthetics. We want to see some synthetics. Synthetic. Baby girl. Would you believe me if I said it was synthetic? Would you actually believe me? Would you actually believe me? Would you actually believe? Was that a plane? Oh hell, that's a plane going over my house, girl. I don't know what is going on. But would you believe me if I said this was a synthetic wig? Honestly, would you? Because I wouldn't believe me. This is a synthetic unit from Sam's Beauty. This is a Sensationnel wig, the wet lace wig. All the details will be in the description box down below. But again, this is a parted wig, full beautiful cap, color number 2. Y'all will get all the details in just a moment, but you're gonna want to watch this video, all right? So before we get into this wig review and tutorial, make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to my channel. If you do want to see more content like this, then you have to subscribe or let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and follow me on Twitter. I mean, why not? Okay, I mean, why not? Like, why not? Why not? I'm being for real though. So make sure you guys follow me on all of my social platforms, and then after that, we're gonna hop right into this video.
All right, so this is from the Butta lace collection. I believe this is unit 13 and the color number 2. And I'm telling you guys, this wig, you can dress it up, dress it down, and on top of that, it is HD lace. One thing I will say about Sensationnel, they do know how to make a wig. However, when I did take it out of the pack, I saw that it was a lace part and not 13x4 like the wet lace collection, which is okay with me. But you know, I like to have my wigs be a little bit more versatile, but I still put on my my cream foundation all over the lace just to get rid of that ashiness, and I even did it in the front as well. One thing about this wig, I did not pluck it as much. I'm not sure why I didn't pluck it as much. I think I just wanted to just see how it looked right out the pack. But, you know, it looks super duper great in person. I will say that. And once you add that cream to the front, it just is like the icing on the cake. So right now, you see I'm just putting on my wig cap, trying to get it all nice and laid down, and slap this wig on. So, I mean, this is the process that I normally do for most of my wig installs. But again, since this is a synthetic wig, it is completely optional to lay your wig down, or at least lay your wig cap down with glue. But I just wanted to make it look as sleek as possible, so that's why I laid my wig cap down. But right now, as you can see, I'm getting it all nice and powdered up. And then I'm going to cut my wig cap so it is perfect in comparison to my head, and then I'm going to put the wig on. So right now I'm getting ready to do my baby hairs, and for this wig I didn't want to do a lot. I just wanted some in a few areas of my head. So you see I just pulled out the front hairs that were already pretty short, and then I cut them just a little bit more and then just did my swoop like my normal regular swoop. And again, you can customize this however you want, but just for this install I wanted to do it this way and not do too many baby hairs.
Okay everyone, so I finished doing my makeup and let's get into this hair. I'm going to brush it just a little bit so you guys can see, but I feel like this hair is very much my personality. This is pretty girl hair. This is pretty girl hair. And if you know what that means, then you know what that means. This is like pretty girl hair. This is what I love. Nice loose curls at the bottom. It's like 16 inches. This is so me. Like, you guys. And this is synthetic. Like, where? This company, again, this is the same company that made What Lace Sensationnel, as you guys know. They never miss. They never miss. They never miss. I would have to give this a 9 out of 10. The only reason I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10 is because it's only one part and I would want a whole bunch of parts. Like, I would want parts everywhere. I'd want it to be a 3-part wig, but I mean, it still did what it needed to do. It's so easy to put my hands through, and just, how can you not love this? How can you not love this? This hair is gorgeous. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. This is definitely bottomless brunch hair. Okay, this is bottomless brunch hair, you know. But I would have to give this wig a 9 out of 10. It isn't really tangling and it's not really shedding. I did try to pluck it just a little bit in the front, but I kind of like the fullness on this particular unit. I gave myself a few baby hairs, no problem. It's still ear to ear. It fits my head beautifully. I don't have any complaints. So if you are interested in getting this unit, make sure you get it at Sam's Beauty, please. This hair came so fast, so quick, and it came with no damage on the box, nothing like that. And again, this is the color number 2. As you guys know, it's my favorite color. But let me know how you guys like this wig in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next wig review. Oh, and if you want to know this makeup look, go check out the next video. Bye.